Welcome to the AI Code Challenge on CodingCanvas, a powerful tool to improve your coding skills with AI-generated problems. This feature helps learners enhance their problem-solving skills by generating real-world coding tasks, making learning more interactive and effective. To begin, select a topic you want to practice, choose a difficulty level based on your comfort, and click Generate Challenge. The AI will create a problem in just a few moments. Each challenge includes a problem statement, input and output, constraints, and example test cases with explanations. If you're stuck, a hint is available to guide you. You can also view the solution if needed. Once you've written your code, click Submit Code. Your solution will be tested against all cases, and you'll see the results instantly. Need feedback? Click Review Code with AI. AI will analyze your solution, highlight key issues, suggest fixes, and even give you a score to improve your coding standards. At the top, you can choose your preferred programming language, making it easy to code in the language you're most comfortable with. You can switch between light and dark mode, and even change the interface language to English, Deutsch, Chinese, and more. Start using the AI Code Challenge today and take your coding skills to the next level.